Concrete flooring, pros and cons you should know before installing. Dear friends, are you thinking about installing concrete flooring in your home? It's stylish, durable, and modern, but before you decide, let's look at the pros and cons you should know. Let's start with the advantages. First, concrete floors are incredibly durable. They can handle heavy traffic, furniture, and years of use without wearing out. Second, they're low maintenance. Just regular sweeping and an occasional mop will keep them looking great. Third, they're versatile in design. With polishing, staining, or stamping, you can make concrete look like marble, tile, or even wood. Fourth, they're cost-effective, especially if your home already has a concrete base. And finally, they're eco-friendly, helping keep your home cool and reducing the need for extra materials. Now, for the disadvantages. Concrete is hard and cold, which can feel uncomfortable underfoot. It's also prone to cracking over time due to natural expansion and contraction. You'll need to seal it regularly to protect it from moisture and stains. And its industrial look may not fit every interior style. It can feel a bit cold or plain without the right decor. So, is concrete flooring right for you? If you love a sleek, modern, and low-maintenance surface, go for it. But if you prefer warmth and comfort, you might want to explore other flooring options. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.